Security has been stepped up at major airports in India following warnings of a possible hijack attempt. Indian intelligence agencies say militants could be looking to take over Air India flights that are going from New Delhi to Afghan capital Kabul. Our political editor Smita Prakash has more in this report.
Passengers have been advised to reach airports in India, especially in the capital New Delhi, well ahead of departure. That's due to the multiple security checks in place since the weekend. Armed commandos have been stationed at the New Delhi International Airport after an intelligence alert that said state-owned carrier Air India could be targeted by unidentified terror groups. Also, luggage is being screened multiple times and passengers are subjected to body frisking and random checks.
Actually, हम लोग आज ही पेपर में इसको अभी पेपर में देखा ना, इसलिए हम लोग जल्दी आ गए. सिक्योरिटी ज़्यादा होगा तो हम लोग को टाइम लगेगा. हम लोग कोऑपरेट इनके साथ ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट करने को राजी है ना.
The last hijack of an Indian carrier was in 1999 when gunmen took over an Indian Airlines aircraft and forced the plane to land in Kandahar in Afghanistan. The Indian government had to release 3 militants from their prisons in exchange for the passengers. With US President Barack Obama scheduled to visit New Delhi on January 26th for the Republic Day celebrations, security at vital installations in the country, including airports, has been beefed up.
टेररिज्म की थ्रेट हर जगह बनी हुई है और आप जानते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान की जो पोजीशन है वो जियोपॉलिटिकली बहुत ही क्रिटिकल रही है पिछले 30 सालों में, और पिछले कुछ सालों में स्थिति और ज़्यादा भयावह हो गई है. तो इस समय छोटी छोटी थ्रेट को भी हमें बहुत सीरियसली लेना होगा और सेफ्टी में कोई किसी तरह का कंप्रोमाइज़ हम नहीं कर सकते हैं.
The police in the eastern Indian city of Kolkata has made one arrest so far in connection with a phone call about a possible hijack. Investigations are on to trace the origin of the call and the specific terror threat by an unidentified terror group. Smita Prakash, South Asia Newsline in New Delhi.